to say this. No, it's not your time to do this. If I name maybe somebody that hijacked the public money, public funds, living in US. USB government said, no, don't sue. No, we are not going to sue him because it will appear to be a distraction. The people are now working hard on how to eliminate you. You understand? Ada opened her mouth and said that USB is USB terrorist. People who declared Biafra have not questioned her on anything. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hello?
Okay. Good evening.
Good evening to you, my sister.
Hello?
Hello, good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
I'm calling from Zoom.
From... Okay. Go on, go on, we can hear you.
It's about Adadiorams.
Okay.
That lady, I don't know. That lady, I don't know. Because I don't know what she's causing a lot of havoc in this our freedom this thing. I don't know.
True.
As old as she is, she cannot respect herself. Anytime you go to her this thing, I was just even each time I would like to go just to go and look. When you go there, course. Ngozi Fulani, Ngozi this one. What is all this? This woman she's possessed. She's possessed. All I know is that my prayer is that she will suffer for all those things, all these things she's doing. Because I know that she cannot do 1,000 of what Ngozi is doing. She's just there just for as a mumude. And she cannot respect herself.
My sister, you are my phone name. You know? Oh, my phone name.
In fact, I want to Zua, but I'm here for her. Because I do apport everything. Telling people that she's mad. The egg is working on her. You know?
Egg.
That egg that break is working on her. She's a confucianist. You know? So
right.
That's my own. All I know is that God will surely see us through. We're already in our land and we'll protect this our land. Okay. We that at zoo will protect it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sister. Thank you. I appreciate it. Somebody said that Ayiwegu said, don't you see the point of her argument? Baseless, a stark illiterate like her. My brother, this illiteracy, they will tell, oh, you are insulting her because of education. Education is just forget about education. Let us use common sense. It's not about grammar. After all, English is not my first language. My first language is Igbo language. I believe many of us here. But the thing is that it's not about English language. English. They have brain. They used it very, very well. Somebody attack oh, wajala, God bless you. Thank you so much for the super chat. He said, Kai, I thank for keeping it real. Brother, God bless you. I really appreciate you for that. Let me go back to the video that we not finished it yesterday. The line is still open. In case if you want to contribute, just call in. Today we are using the Bongo number, okay? The Bongo number is what I pinned here. For some of you that want to contribute, you have time to do that, but we are not done. I want to revisit it because she was trying to analyze why exposing herself the more. You understand it? Hello?